shall say very soon we don't go for the particular sign, only small remain. So very soon we'll soon dagger them, we'll finish them, then we'll move ahead. Okay, yesterday on we don't do this particular one, which is La Strada's Drucevole. Okay, now let's see. Mona tell me what I still remember concerning this our sign of yesterday. La Strada's Drucevole. Waiting anybody remember. We create and put for the screen. Welcome, Sister Angel Bliss, lovely family. Welcome to you as well. Good evening. What do we remember about this sign yesterday? What can we say concerning this sign? Anything at all we go bring to our remembrance. Make we see. Okay, slippery road. Very good. Slippery road. Thank you very much, Sister Jessie Nice, for being the first to comment on the live today with your response. Thank you very much. If you say I get money, do I have to dash you money and you ask for food? But unfortunately, I people already know. You understand? Who no get help, not the help, who no get help. I joke I do. It is well. Alright, let's go. Who else want answer me? Austin Best, welcome to the house too. Nobody respond to me. Waiting be the name of this sign. First of all, what do you think is the name of this sign? After I don't tell us the name of this sign, finish. Then I just write one or two comments concerning this sign. Make we proceed. Welcome to the house, Mama of the house. Let's go. Who else wants to give a response? Tom Bruce, welcome as well. Make we go. Nobody to respond. Nobody respond to the past question we will do, or the past topic we will do. Nobody is responding. Let's go, please respond. Does it mean that nobody remembers this stuff, or nobody understand that yesterday? Segnale di pericolo. Thank you very much, Mr. Michael Scott. Okay, we'll get Michael Scott. Okay, thank you very much for it. Okay, nobody respond to this question. This question hard. Nothing hard about this thing now. This is La Strada Drucevole. So, waiting with the attribute of this sign, what you understand by this sign, nobody's responding. No wahala. Make we do the past question, you go. For inside there, so maybe as time goes on, una remember one or two. But normally it's supposed to make sense, so una remember at all. Let's go. Segnale di pericolo, which is normally one way you know 150 meters already. Un tratto di strada che può diventare sdrucevole, it's a part of the road when you see if you can they draw as a result of a climatic condition. Ok, comporta ripetere con velocità moderata. Say they say it advises you to move with a moderate speed and also try to avoid brusque maneuver, meaning say may you try to not to drive on zigzag move on the road, accelerare, also do fast acceleration on the road. Then frena e aumenta lo spazio, la distanza di sicurezza, please. You say if it is possible, you should also hold your brake and give a security distance from the vehicle when we say you follow for back. Allora, il sorpasso è ammessa solo con particolare attenzione, meaning say overtaking can be done only with particular attention, meaning you need to pay much attention before you do your overtaking. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Miss Unique Peppy. You're very much welcome. Ok, now, non è vero che pronuncia la possibilità di sbandamento, meaning say it is not true that this particular symbol they announce to you say there's a possibility for your vehicle to tumble as a result of strong wind when it be say it vento laterale, say strong wind from the side when it be say it go want you to put chain for your tire. Punto faster, as easy as in this particular topic. Nothing when it is inside, and we can finally support and back them up with this very short one. When the BC we see for here, let's go. Now, see, remember this symbol. We also treated the symbol yesterday. Now, let's see what we have on concerning the symbol. È un segnale di pericolo che pronuncia 150 metri. When in sign, when they tell us that 150 meters from where the thing for the happen, un tratto di strada con probabilità di attraversamento di animali domestici, meaning say there is a possibility in the presence of this sign, there is a possibility of domestic animals around that vicinity or probably around that road or when they cross the road as well. Richiede di rallentare or arrestarsi. They tell you, say, in the presence of this sign, if it's possible, no, you say, in the presence of this sign, you need to reduce your speed, and if it is necessary, you need to hold on your brake, and non-suonare, and no blow horn, and don't horn for the animals. See, the animali attraversano la strada, which is you should reduce your speed or hold your brake if it is necessary if you see these animals crossing the road or if they're on top of the road as well. Danno segni di spavento, sorry, meaning say if these animals give you the sign of fear or fright, you shouldn't blow your horn. Non si spostano, or if also they not break common for road, you still do not have to blow your horn. Punto basta. Now, so this particular part tell us so. So that is how it is. Nothing else, nothing more. Okay. I hope it is well understood. These were our classes for yesterday, what we did yesterday. Now, for today, this is what we are going to be talking about. This one I'll give us one question. Make I see. Okay. Which one we don't do? Okay, we don't do everything. It remains this one. So that will be for the middle yesterday. Okay, now this is the symbol or this is the sign we are going to be discussing about today. Now let's go. I have a question. Okay. This is a unique Pepe. Ask your question. While you're asking your question, we'll be discussing. Immediately I see your question for screen, I will respond to it as well. Good evening, everyone. Stina TV, you are very much welcome. Good evening to you as well. Okay, let's go. How is everything, my sister? Mr. Olise, where are thou coming from? Are you coming from the other yonder side? It's actually been a while. Hope all is well. Now, make we the talk to go. What una see or what una think concerning this symbol? What una see for inside this symbol like this? This one is a pericolo. But what una think say e dey inside here? What be the thing why this una see for inside the symbol? Now let's go. Where have you been? All right, let's go. Please respond. So what should a driver do if you see the animals on the road and they block the road since you can't blow your horn? All right, what you will do is for you to wait patiently for these animals to leave the road and you continue your journey. That's it, what it means. Now, what did they tell us be that too? But we know, say from where phone come, it's just that you blow on pursue they come out. You jump the one if you jump for inside, carry go as go fry and shop. Or anyway, man, leave the last one for inside. If you know good for year to year. So that's what the matter be. But in this case, in the presence of this sign for this civilized country where they call themselves in 9 days, so they say we don't get the right to blow on for animal. When it be say if they disturb the road, make we not pass. You need to wait for them and do not kill them, please. So that's what the matter be. Now, and that's very nice, which is Sister Pretty. Precious Pretty, that's very nice, very good response. School children, Ibambini. Sister Hida Steve, Tom Bruce says school children. Yes, very, very much. This one has danger sign when they talk about children. See how they write down for here. Ibambini. They talk about not just children, but school children. Ibambini Scolari. Okay, make we read down so that we know what the thing talk about. Then from there we'll come know how to start to dey resolve the issues on the ground. Okay, now let's go. Lo siguiente pericolo che pronuncia di norma 150 metri. Okay, lungo. When you be saying the pericolo, when they talk about 150 meters, lungo luoghi frequentata dai bambini. You see, if it also be area when it be say, if it not only be school children as well, or not only school children, if it still be area when it be say children, they always they if you still see this sign also. If you see them around them school environment as well, if you see them for campi da giochi, which is those small places where children they play, or giardini. Giardini now be guiding when it be say children also they always they play. This sign is always near school. Yes, they always there near school. But they tell you say not go to school now in a day. If you see them around them, where children for the play as well. And you see if you see them for inside guiding. Where you go for see these signs mostly now where it be say you go they see say children they always they play around there that very particular area. Now in there for the see. Okay. Invita a circolare a moderare o circolare a speed. You need to move at a very moderate speed. Considera eventuali comportamento imprudente. Hold on, let's see. Considerare eventuali comportamento imprudenti di fanciulli. Okay, now make I explain this particular one. You say you need to invita a circolare con velocità moderata means they invite you now for you to move at a moderate speed, and then you need to also consider say you fit jam children when it be say that they imprudent. Imprudence mean say when person act without thinking. We know as children they act without thinking of the dangers ahead of the action when it be say they pull up. So therefore, you need as a driver, if you see this symbol, you need to consider say children go dey around that area, and then their attitude na something when it be say it is unpredictable. Fanciulli means children, na fanciulli mean. Anche se si trova su marciapiedi. He say also you fit still jam them on top of marciapiedi. Even though say you jam them on top of marciapiedi does not mean say all is well. When you see children around your environment, please you need to move with caution. Make it be say you not can go jam the innocent children when it be say they're still small, they never enter this world finish, one leg out, one leg in, so they don't know what to do that much. Non è vero che indica la fermata di una scuola bus. Please, you say this particular sign, no tell you say fermata di autobus, they around there, and make you see this particular symbol. You not tell you like that too. If you see this particular symbol, doesn't mean you are around them. Fermata di autobus, that is not what it means. Or che posto sulle parti posteriori della scuola bus. Also, you know, you say tell you say you fit see this particular symbol so for back of school buses. He said that is not also true. Mr. Michael Spall, you are very much welcome. You cannot see this symbol on the back of scholar bus, which is school buses. Now another thing again, or impone limiti di velocità pari a 30 km all'ora, meaning say they impose say it must be equal to 30 kilometers per hour, then will be the speed limit. Therefore, it is still not correct. Mr. God's power, I have just cited your rules, and your rules is sending all over the place. Thank you very much, Mr. God's power. I really appreciate. May God continue to empower you, enrich you, and your pocket will never go dry. Say amen. Take it. Now you get all of them. Now let's go. Now, so this particular topic just reached. Let's go. What do you think? Should we okay, Mr. Gospel, don't provoke, come and say that 5 when you give me not reach. Don't knock 5 join and let the thing for become 10. Thank you very much. 10 plus 10. I did it on that now. Okay, now 4 plus 4, now they talk for that one. Yes, it's that time. Not me time plus 9. Now let's go. Thank you very much. May God bless you, Mr. God Power. May God continue to replenish and over plenty your pocket for you. Amen. I say it, and so shall it be. Amen. Okay, now what do you think? Let us go with our past question. There shouldn't be time wasted today. Anybody get any question when you say you supposed to ask me concerning this issue? If you not did, make we proceed. But if we did, type and put for the screen, I will respond. Let's go with our past question. Let's go. Il Signore figurato vita e transito dei bambini non accompagnati. Non accompagnati. Vero o falso? What do you think? Il segnale figurato vieta il transito dei bambini non accompagnati. Meaning say, this sign so they tell you say this particular sign they tell you say children when it be say maybe matured person not follow them, not supposed to follow this road when it be say this sign day. What do you think? Is it a vero or a falso something? Let's go. Please type on your screen. Please show sign of seriousness. Let us see what you've got. Okay. Eve say falso. Julius Anthony say falso. Unique Pep say falso. Chris say falso. Scooby say falso. Pretty Precious say falso. Mama of the house say falso. He that Steve say falso. Only say. It don't take wait time for this screen last, but you are very much welcome for the second time. Only say falso. Lucky Sky say falso. Tom Bruce say na falso, sì, è veramente falso. Il segnale figurato vieta il transito ai bambini non accompagnati, è veramente falso la risposta. Let's go. Ok, il segnale figurato pronuncia luoghi frequentati dai fanciulli, meaning say, thank you very much, Mr. Austin Best. Il segnale figurato pronuncia luoghi frequentati da fanciulli. Meaning said in the presence of this sign, they tell you say in the presence of this symbol, this fanciulli place now we say infant now it mean. Infant now it mean for English language. Fanciulli means infant, and infant now small children. So now they tell you say this sign they tell you say now area when it be say children, they always they did. Now you go for the see this symbol, meaning say children they always a good area. Let's go. Jessina Severo, Annabelle Severo, Lion J Severo, Hida Steve, Unique Peppy, Scooby Doo. I say not Scooby Doo. Jesse say Navero, Chris say Navero, Yeso get say Navero, Holy Zion say Navero, Eddie more grace na vero. So now let's go. Let us. Ok, il segnale figurato può pronunciare la presenza di una scuola bus frequentata dai bambini nella vicina. It's okay. This particular sign of it you say può segnale figurato può pronunciare. It say if it announce la presenza di the presence of a school bus, no, presenza di una scuola frequentata dai bambini vicini. Ah, okay. You say this sign now, they tell you say a school environment, they around that place when they say, I mean, yeah, they close to the place. So what do you think? Is it a vero or a false or something? Okay, let's see. Jessina say na vero, Eve Love say na vero, Annabelle say na vero, Lovely Family say na vero, Precious Pretty say na vero, Julius Anthony say na vero. So therefore, it is a very vero something. Make this thing will come out. Let us start afresh again. Ok. Allora, let's go. Il segnale figurato invita a considerare eventuali comportamenti imprudenti di fanciulli. Meaning say in the presence of this sign you should expect say you go jam children when it be say their comportment or their ways of doing things no for put because of say they be children. So what do you think? Good evening, Sister Trisha. May God bless you and you are very much welcome. Let's go. Io so che se na vero. Let's go. Eve Love se na vero. Tom Bruce se na vero. Ita Baby se na vero. Okay, Scooby se na vero. Alright. right. It's a vero something there. We all agree it's a vero matter. Si è raffigurato pronuncia un percorsa pedonale. You see this particular sign, so it tell you say na percorso pedonale na be, which is the particular part when it be say leg they use the waka 90 mean. All right, let's go. Percorso pedonale. All right, Jimmy Juice responded. Angel Bliss in a faso. Babyface Class in a faso. Lion J se na vero. Tom Bruce se na vero. Ida se na faso. Unique Pepe se na faso. Yusege se na faso. Mama of the house se na faso. Scooby se na faso. Allora, Mr. Lion J. Mr. Lion J, the answer to this particular question is faso and not vero. You know why? This particular part, so they talk about danger, now danger sign normally, now children put for there. So therefore, if now this is not children now you put for there, it is so sure say it not go tell you say na percorso pedonale. Percorso pedonale na for pedestrians when it be say it dey use leg to waka. So if to say na wetin you talk say na true, if I tell you say if you talk that particular part for talk about children, if you say percorso per I bambini, so long as say you don't see bambini for there and you see bambini for inside this sign, just calculate and say na veramente faso. I hope you understand. So therefore, percorso pedonale na where we say that they use leg the waka they pass. Yes, children feel they use leg the waka they pass, but children are not the only pedestrians in this case. So now both adult and children now be pedestrians. But on this case, they not talk about adult. This symbol now they only they show you children. So normally, if you just use your what you call them I want to put them now. If you use your brain to do the calculation, you could just know once say the answer to that question must be faso. So now let's go. See, and we don't click faso, it don't show us screen. Se hai figurato invita a circolare velocità moderata. He say in the presence of this sign, please you need to now you cannot do be number 6. So in the presence of this sign, you need to moderate your speed. You need to reduce your speed. Jimmy Josh, se na vero. Yeso che se na vero. Babyface Killer se na vero. Annabelle se na vero. Jesse Knight se na vero. Tom Bruce Kobe se na vero. Mama of the house. Julius Anthony. Precious Pretty. Mr. Chris. Unique Peppy. Oli say Angel Bliss. Tina. TV. Everyone says it is a very something. Even Grace Better say na vero. She's coming for the first time. I'm seeing her. But you're still very much welcome. The live is open for everybody. Alright. Se hai figurato vieta il transito I bambini non accompagnati. Don't answer this one. Se hai figurato occorre prestarsi particolare attenzione ai movimenti imprevedibili dei bambini. Meaning say in the presence of this sign in the presence of this referred sign, you should know that you should pay particular attention to the movement of you should pay attention to the unpredictable movement of children in the presence of this sign. So what do you think? Unipepe Severo, Tom Bruce, Grace Beta, Annabelle, Precious Pretty, Ita, Mama of the house, everyone is saying vero. So it's a very much of a vero something. The more I don't know where you foresee for this question, it shows say not be my screen and you look, maybe another screen still your front as well. But anyhow, it say how. Se hai figurato pronuncia i luoghi, we don't answer this one. Se hai figurato invita a considerare eventuale comportamento imprudente dei fanciulli. Respond to this one. Okay, I'm not sure. Il segnale figurato è vietato transito durante l'orario di uscita dei bambini della scuola. Now, you say this particular sign now they tell you say when children till they come out from school, say you're not supposed to pass the road. È vietato il transito durante l'orario di uscita dei bambini. Meaning if children they come out from school, you're not supposed to pass the road. What do you think? Allora, Grace Beta se faço and I say na faso TikTok brace na fast mama of the house Kobe. He the Steve Sunday Joy Sabi Boy also say na faso pretty precious say na faso. Ita baby go that G for there, only God knows the meaning of the G. But let us go. It is faço something. Se era figurato invitaci con la velocità moderata o avanzare, se era figurato vieta il transito ai veicoli a motori durante l'orario, vieta il transito durante di suoi, se era figurato è posto sul parte posteriore dell'autobus. So don't forget this one as well. Why? Se è figurato può essere posto nel vicinanza di campo da gioco frequentato dai bambini. You see this particular sign, so you say if it is around the place like camp, when it be say campo da gioco, which is campo gioco, like where children for the play, small campo children for the play. You say if we also put this particular sign for there. Allora, let's go. Jimmy Joe Senavero and Jesse Knight Senavero, Da Hot Senavero, and Mr. Chris, okay, Senavero, Olise Navero. Let's continue. Segnale figurato vieta il transito ai bambini non accompagnati, don't say this one. Segnale figurato indica la fine di un viale riservato ai bambini. Meaning say, you see this particular sign, so they represent say now the finishing of a street when it be say they put where they reserved for children to the pass. Now be the meaning of that sign. Say in the presence of that sign, that is what it means. For this matter, so Jimmy Joe's never is in hand, they say now fast, so say Neika by no agree. Mama of the house follow on for back, he saying go support him brother. He does still say okay, say now through the two of them talk, say man, now fast or something. Why the rest members of the house they chase them for back, everybody put hand for ballot box, they put hand in now fast or something. Now let's go. The matter is very much of a fasumento fasale. Ok, presenza di scena raffigurato, è necessario fare attenzione ai bambini sulla carreggiata e non è quello di marciapiedi. Meaning say, in the presence of this sign, so it is necessary for you to pay attention to the children when they dey for carreggiata, but the ones when they dey for marciapiedi, you no need to pay attention to them because they dey outside the road. So what do you think? Is it a vero or faso something? Let's go. You need to only pay attention to the children when they dey for carreggiata, but the ones when they dey at top of a marciapiedi, you no need to pay attention to them because all those ones not supposed to be your business. What do you think? Let's go, Sister Babyface Killer Senavero. Where Mr. Lion J the chat say network one killer for where he did. Okay, he the Steve say na Vero, Eve say na Faso, Tom Bruce say na Vero. It's my network or what? I don't know. I'll make I go check my own. Anybody will complain a poor network, okay, that means it's probably my own network. Make I connect to the one when you dey house. Let us see. Okay, network. Okay, not really you want to share the network. I hope the network is better now. I don't shift go my house network. Yes, my daddy. Yeah. No, this cocoa is for Papa for the meantime. Please, thank you very much. All right, now let's go. Okay, Eddie Joy say na vero. Okay, now make I answer the question because there are some this a particular one, so some people agree, some people not agree. Now my question is, make I ask you. According to our question, I don't want to put on for them because if I put on the thing will come out, we no go come fit answer am. Now they tell us say if you see this sign, you need to only pay attention to the children when it be say they don't dey for carreggiata, meaning say carreggiata, meaning say probably they want ready to the crossroad they go. See now all those ones that you need to pay attention to. While the ones when it be say they dey on top of marciapiedi, you don't need to pay attention to them. And una tell me say, some of una they tell me say the answer is vero. Now, if you say na vero, make I come front of the screen. If you say the answer to the question is vero, now they don't tell you say na children and they be say you know go fit predict their character. They can be anywhere at any time. Now why you go pay attention to only the ones when they dey for Karijata? Meanwhile, the ones when they dey for matcha pair, they fit run or play when they pursue each other enter road. Also go join the ones when they Karijata. So do you think your answer is wrong or right? You need to only pay attention to the ones when they for Karijata. Then one day at match appear, they not concern you. What do you think? You think so you go feel hold children, direct them, go the direction where they want play go. It is not possible. So therefore, all those of now for another place. So therefore, in case of next time, that answer is falso, please. Brother the saying if you grant necessary fare attention and may you only pay attention to those when you see the day for Karijata. No, you have to pay attention to every one of them, whether Karijata or no Karijata. Saying if you grant in the cafe and the VR, we answer this one. We answer the saying of surpasso. In case presa the saying if you grant a vetato il surpasso è veicoli che si sono fermati per lasciare attraversare i bambini. They say in the presence of this sign, please. Make them put cage for them. Okay, no wahala. In presenza di segnale figurato è vietato il sorpasso ai veicoli che vi sono fermati per lasciare attraversare i bambini. You see, in the presence of this sign, it is forbidden for you to overtake vehicle when it be say it stay for line, the wait make children cross. What do you think about this particular question? Is it vero or falso? In the presence of this sign, it is forbidden for you to overtake any vehicle when it be say it already wait, they allow children to pass. Vero or falso? Let's go. I know they still now hand for the screen or they do another thing. Let's go. It is forbidden for you to overtake any vehicle when it be say it already stopped, they wait for children to pass. Vero or falso? Lucky Sky say na vero, Holy Zion say na vero, Eddie Mogri say na vero, Chris say na vero, okay, Tom Bruce, Sabi Boy, Lion G, JC Nice, Nancy Brown or DJ Nick, okay, everybody say na vero. Ok, make we not vero put. Se ne figurato può essere posto nel vicinanza di un campo, se ne figurato indica la fermata di una scuola bus. Ok, you see this particular sign now, they tell us say na fermata di scuola bus. What do you think? Is it a vero or a falso something? You see, in the presence of this sign, say na fermata di scuola bus 90. Now make we see waiting una one respond for this very one. Say na fermata di scuola bus arena 90. So let's go. Jessina say na vero, Lovely Family say na vero, Super JB1 say na vero, Grace Beta say na falso, okay, Better Money say na falso, The Hot say na vero, okay, Mama of the House say na falso, Super J say na falso, Sabi Boy say na falso, Unique Pepe is the Steve, TikTok Breathe, Best say na falso, everyone say na falso, including Yesogi and only Setina TV say na falso, Mama of the House say na falso. So it is very, very much of a falso something, and I agree with you. Il segnale figurato indica la fermata di una scuola bus è veramente falso. Il segnale figurato pronuncia un attraversamento pedonale. You see this particular symbol, so they tell you say na attraversamento pedonale symbol. This one. So what do you think? Is this a symbol of attraversamento pedonale? Let's go. Allora, they tell us a symbol of attraversamento pedonale be this. Let's go. What do you think? Super BJC na falso, ESO say na falso. Who else is responding to the question? You are very much welcome. Say na falso. Where you had posts all these years? You need Pepe say na falso, Better Money say na falso. If you don't say na falso, impossible. Mr. Oli say na falso. Okay, now let's go. Make we see. Lamento pedonali. Let's say na falso. Il segnale figurato posto sulla parte posteriore La scuola bus, l'orario, ok, this one self na falso, il segnale raffigurato invita a circolare con velocità moderata, è frequentata dai fanciulli, il segnale raffigurato è un segnale di pericolo, il segnale raffigurato vieta il transito ai bambini non accompagnati, se è una vicinanza di giardino pubblico frequentata dai bambini, yes. Modella velocità e prestare attenzione ai bambini anche se si trovano su marciapiedi. Ok, no, il segnale raffigurato è necessario moderare la velocità e prestare attenzione ai bambini anche se si trovano su marciapiedi. Meaning, see, if you see this particular sign, so you need to reduce your speed. And also you need to pay attention to the children, even though see they on top of a marciapiedi. All right, I don't see vero for the screen, this one è vero. Questa decisione occorre fare particolare attenzione per la possibilità, per la possibile presenza dei bambini. You say if you see this particular symbol, say you need to know, say it is possible, say you fit just jump children around that environment. So let's go, Mr. Chris Senavero, Sabiba Senavero, Tom Bruce Senavero, Super BJ Senavero, Jessina Senavero, Olise, say na vero nine di matabi, so make we na cancer petronat. Predibile, we don't feel sad this one too. Ok, precisa di scuola frequentata dai bambini nella vicinanza, danza di zona as well, comportamento imprudente dei fanciulli, danza di zona, fare attenzione sulle carreggiate e non quello del, I just want to finish, interessa di segnale figurato, ok, maybe we could just get a few questions and when it will remain, make I just dagger the question they go, anyone when you say not for put a comment, segnale di pericolo, yes. Ok, segnali veicoli che si sono fermi per lasciare è vietato, yes, we answered this one before. Ok, indica fine di viale, ok, we answered this one. Ok, segnale figurato indica la fermata della scuola bus. Ok, la presenza di una frequentata da bambini vicinanza. Ok, l'orario, uscita. Perdonare, ok, particolare attenzione per la possibilità di presenza di non accompagnati, pubblico frequentato, fanciulli e bambini sulla carreggiata, non, ok, moderata, allora, vicinanza di un campo, ok, segnale raffigurato per pronuncia un attraversamento pedonale, ok. Let's see, segnale raffigurato vieta il transito ai veicoli a motori durante l'orario di uscita. Don't answer this one as well. Ok, moderare la velocità, prestare attenzione ai bambini anche se si trovano. Ok, eventuali comportamento prevedibile posteriore dello scuola bus. Ok, I think so, never answer this one. Per il segnale raffigurato è vietato superare la velocità di 30 km all'ora. Meaning, see, in the presence of this sign, if you're around this sign, you're not supposed to go above 30 kilometers per hour. What do you think? Is it a vero or a falso something? Let's go. In the presence of this sign, you are not supposed to go beyond 30 km per hour. What do you think about it? Sabi boy say na falso, na say na vero. Hannah Bessena Vero, what is it called? Ulisa Lucas Senavero, Nancy Brown Senavero, Tom Bruce Senavero. Ok, Sunday Love Senavero, Iuda Senavero, Super Senavero, ok, Jesse Senavero, Scooby Senavero. Let's go, lovely family Senavero, best Senavero, ok. Let us see who else is going to vero this matter. Equilibrium Senavero. Okay. Now, this is very surprising as a response for the first time. Ok. Allora, Jimmy Joe Senafaso, Lion J Senavero, Babyface Killer Senafaso. Julius Anthony Senafaso, Mama of the Earth Senafaso. Okay. Because I won't fear say all of una just choose the wrong answer for the very first time when you be see we did this class. At least if the answer not clear, some go say na vero, some go say na fast too. But the very first set of people, let's say the very first 15 people, they verbalize this question and na fast too. There is no part of this sign when we read just now when it indicates speed limit. There's no speed limit around there. Speed limit they put down for under like this museum, but there's no speed limit. So please, it not tell you the speed limit whether you go run past or run below 30 kilometers per hour. Please, okay, it's a very wrong answer you've given. It is a fast. So watch out. I put fast so it show green. So therefore, now when it be the Vero Club, una just jump enter gutter all of una. Let's go. This is refigurato. Occorre prestare particolare attenzione al movimento imprevedibile dei bambini. Finalmente, fino alla fine, fine. Now, we don't knock this question finish. We don't dag around. I know, understand though, that speed now. Go make person observe well. Okay, please next time. One thing about this what they call them, if you don't reach time for signs and symbols, put one thing at the back of your mind, please. If you don't reach the time for symbols like this, put one thing at the back of your mind. What you don't see for this symbol? If they ask you, tell them say not there. You tell them say na vaso. Most especially if you don't study the symbol, go far. If you don't study the symbol, go far. If you don't see anything when they come ask you for inside the symbol, na far so. Yes, it's possible say the people limited the velocity, meaning the speed limit for them. But so long as say for this very particular one, you don't see the symbol, and while you take read down, when you read concerning the text, there was nothing like symbol there. They don't tell you anything like symbol. Just know say na far so. You understand? Now the techniques of passing this particular what you call it, driving school be that one. In most cases, there are some certain things when you be say normally you're just supposed to know on your own, you know, because this driving school it gets keys where they take the pass them. There are some questions when you be say they go through go give you. You don't need to go dey sure whether the thing right or wrong, but the way the question they appear to you, you don't already know say this question must be fast so. Because why? Your text when you read no actually describe such a thing, so it is a falso something. I hope you guys understand. So please take note. We don't reach where it be say we dey consider some certain things why we dey respond to questions. No, we don't grow and we don't develop reach like that. You know, like from the beginning, I know they talk all this kind of thing before, say there are some techniques we be say man you fit a pass. But right now it is high time we start talking about it because we don't reach the stage when they talk about them. There are some questions when you say if it come, you don't know say that question are bonus. You know why? Because of the way that they present that question, you know say that question can never be true. No matter what. If they fail you for that question, you need to call the examiner and then you will need to ask a question. Okay, now let's go. Yes, now can you imagine oil or current? Okay, well, please, this one an image on it dey very until you not see no respond to the question at fast. So on a normal, if you use this sign, you must slow down because of children. Yeah, very much correct, Mr. Willie said. Okay, now we don't done with this particular one. Make we go see which other one again we'll use. Okay. Let's see animali savati vaganti. You can see. Okay, this one get only 12 questions. Make we rush and chop. Let's see. Great job. Tough. Thought this is my first time. Mr. Eddie, I know the two see what you write because of what you will get for screen. I know the two see what you write. Make I see. Great job, bro. Though this is my first time, Eddie More Grace, you are very much welcome. There is always a first time for everything. You're very much welcome. The house is open for everybody, including the good, the bad, and the ugly. The house is open for us all to enjoy. Now let's go make we that this very one. I hope una dey see am. Una dey see Uzo for inside this place. People when you be say they come from the side when I come from. Now the sign they write Uzo for inside here. Uzo means antelope. So if you see this sign, they say you want to chop now place when you be say you go fit see free antelope chop anytime when you pass. Now be that. So let's go. I bet when I don't put down at the back of my mind before I go to do another thing. Antelope chop anytime when you love you like be lie. Oh, work cannot play, make Jack a dog. Make Jack a dog. Allora, now, this thing they tell you, say, if you dey around here, you fit meet animali vaganti. I think animali vaganti na im be make I call am, make I just say make I just call am forest animals, you understand? Yeah. Say in the presence of this sign, you fit just jam wetin they call oh may I call am wild animals, yes. May I call am wild animals. So in the presence of this sign, you fit jam wild animals dey pass. Wild animals na animals when e be say dem no dey wey we no dey feel rare. So na im dem dey call wild animals. Allora, now in the presence of this sign, in segnale di pericolo, which is yes, tratto di strada con probabile improvviso attraversamento di animali salvatici. Ok, richiede di rallentare o arrestarsi, just like for the cow one, e non suonare se gli animali attraversano la strada, danno segno di spavento o non si spostano. Meaning, say, in the presence of this sign, if you enter the road, it is advised for you to reduce your speed or hold the brake of your vehicle if possible. If these animals, when we say they cross for road, they give you sign of fear, or they just choose on their own not to move come off for road for you, just like the other domestic animali domestici. So now, so the matter be punto basta. Now say be 12 questions. Now they under here, there is nothing too much to talk about. Now I believe say I don't need to ask any question for here, or make we go straight to the past questions already. Let us see what we can cover up today. Now that there's time. Se hai figurato pronuncia la possibilità di trovare improvvisamente animali vaganti sulla carreggiata. What do you think of this question? In the presence of this sign, you feel meet some non-domestic animals around the roadside. What do you think? Okay, Lion G, c'est vero. Sabi Boy, c'est vero. Moon Boy, c'est vero. Bella Money. Precious Pretty, Steve, Olise, Unique Peppy, Scooby, Lovely Family, Best, Mommy's Sharon, say, everybody say, vero. Now let's go. Se hai figurato indica l'ingresso di parco nazionale. Say, this time, so they tell us that the entrance of a Parco Nazionale, which is national park, now be this one. So what do you think? Is this vero or falso? This is an entrance to a national park. Allora our people say na falso. Let's go. Se hai figurato obbliga a marciare al centro della strada per evitare investire gli animali selvatici. Meaning, say, in the presence of this sign, so you need to move for the center of the road for you not to hit those vehicles for you not to hit all these animals around the road. You see that within the sign they tell us with that one. Let's see. Allora, let's go. Okay, Scooby say na falso, Mama of the House say na falso, Mommy Shadow say na falso, Bella Money say na falso, Tom Bruce say na falso. So let's go. Il segnale figurato pronuncia il probabile attraversamento di animali selvatici. Say, in the presence of this sign, there's a possibility, say, the animali selvatici, they will cross the road if possible. Okay, now let's go. What do you think? Is it vero or falso? Okay, the answer has been responded to. They say na falso, appena vero. They say na vero. Now, insegnare figurato pronuncia probabile di attraversamento selvatici sarà ok, allentare o allocare. Ok, insegnare figurato richiede di te you see make you reduce your speed all'occorrenza ad arrestarsi if there's possibility or if there's emergency, then you have to hold your brake. Se gli animali attraversano improvvisamente la strada, if you mistakenly jam this animal, see they on top of the road, the waka on top of it, probably they cross the road. Now let's go. It's a baby say na vero. Etabe Senavero, Super J Senavero, Ida Steve Senavero, let's see, Lion J Senavero, Yesoge Senavero, Sharon Senavero, Ziki Doom Bounty, Mama say name. People they be sha, but you are very much welcome. So long as you tell us Senavero, you are pardoned. But that your name, I like him, Ziki Doom Bounty. How you think they call the things? If mouth not they pay you, wahala not this. So now let's go. Say na vero naive. Okay. The answer is vero. Se hai figurato pronuncia probabile animali savatici o danzare. Se hai figurato che alimentare inventare oticone animali vaganti. Okay, we don't answer this one also. Se hai figurato obbligare marciare certo. Un'area riservata alla circolazione di animali selvatici. Say this particular side, and they tell you, see, the area where you did, they reserve the road for, make a sample, un'area, they reserve the area for these animali selvatici. What do you think is the response to this question? Let's go. Yeso Gesena Faso, Zikidum Bamti. Será Faso, Mama Sharon será Faso, Bella Money será Faso, Super JB1 será Faso, Mama Sharon again será Faso, Tom Bruce, Sabi Boy, Mr. Chris, everybody say na Faso. Ok, cenário figurato consente a transito dai soli veicoli a quattro ruote, meaning say quattro ruote motrice. Okay, say this particular sign now they tell us, say man, he only permit wanna type on the live screen, the thing don't they shut down. For here, please type on it, the thing they shut down. Make I correct them, okay. I not get them this time. Let's go, please. Make I try to correct them. Alright. Okay, hold on. Let's see, please. I try to correct them for the very last time because my hand is shake. Okay, I think it's better now. Alright, let's go verify. Ok, make I see segnale figurato consente il transito da soli i veicoli a quattro ruote. Maybe that will be the last question when we say we'll see on this particular topic. Segnale figurato pronuncia un di cavaliere yes. Gli animali savatici, we don't say no. Okay, now this one will answer the congiunction. Segnale figurato consente il transito dei soli veicoli a quattro ruote motrice. Meaning, say they tell you, say now four-wheel drive vehicle, nine only them they permit to they move on top of this road. Okay, now they tell us, say now fast. So let us put it there. It is a faso, it's an obbliga marciare a centro, udan sarà evitare ute con animali. Ok, segnale figurato richiede di rallentare, udan sarà this one carezza fermarsi, nazionale, arrestare se all'estremamente prevento la strada. Occorrenza, ok, udan sarà this one obbliga a usare ripetutamente la visa. Okay, you say in the presence of this sign, so this particular scenario figurato obbliga a usare ripetutamente l'avvisatore acustico per allontanare gli animali. You say in the presence of this sign, it is obligated for you to use repeatedly horn for you to drive away these animals. What do you think? Is it a vero or falso? You say in the presence of this sign, you need to use horn continuously, repeatedly for you to drive away the animals. Is it vero or falso? Okay, let's go. Best in a falso, falsissimo, Equere TV, Mr. Chris in a falso, Sharon in a falso, Zigidumbamti in a falso. Yeso gesa faso sabi boy say na faso not be lie. na falso mata. Segnale figurato indica l'ingresso di Zoo Safari. He said in the presence of this sign, say it tell us say na entrance of Zoo Safari now we dey in the presence of zoo. Make I just put on like that. Safari Zoo. Now we dey say if we see this sign. What do you think, Mr. Chris? Say na falso. Mommy say na falso. Okay. Tom Bruce na falso, facissimo, ok, super, JB se na falso, Scooby se na falso, ok, na falso, we accept and see, na falso, signore figurato pronuncia, probabile, traduzione, versamento, so, ok, yes, let's see, make us see if our people say, signore figurato pronuncia la possibilità di attraversare il improvvisamento animali vaganti sulla carreggiata. Yes, we don't answer. Now we are done and dusted with this second one again. We are done and dusted with this second particular one. Now we will proceed to the next one. Anybody when you get a question for me, make it put them on top of the screen for there so that we will respond to it. I'm sorry, we don't do this one already for today. We're going for the next one where I say we will run enter as soon as possible. Now we enter this very particular one of the signs when it sweet me pass now be this one, so we go enter. I hope una remember this sign. I hope una remember this sign. Make una dey look am well well. Make I just very put am for now. Make una dey see am. Na teacher I knock Uzo yesterday. DM if you need, bros. That kind of thing. They no dey ask person wey dey abroad whether e dey need Uzo. If you want, make I just send you my address. If you know say the thing short for you, tell me your right time. Give me for a boss. Make I send you my address. Make you post my account. No worry, I'll pay for the posting. Now Uzo no matter 90 dey play. Now for last screen that they talk Uzo matter. No let person come go use my inbox. Go write you go think say na me o guy. Make sure say you see my name confirmed there. Go check my this thing. If they send you message, go check go check the person profile. If you check the profile, say you don't see all this things what they do for them, you don't say they don't impersonate me. I beg send me this message, send you my address. Alright, please sir, help us break down the long Italian words. Okay, but I dey break am down, I dey explain am now, sure. No question when I dey put for board when I not dey explain, no sister. Mommy Sharon Scott. I dey explain every question. You understand? I dey explain every question. And I wonder how I know. Okay. If there's any see what we go dey do. Everybody not dey use everybody not dey on the same. Please, can I see the name of this last one? Which one do they talk about? The last one we do. Are you talking about this one, sister? Babyface Killer. Are you talking about this one or the previous one when we do? Which one they talk about for inside? Okay, two-way road. Alright, I will explain something. E get one when I be one ask. See what you go do, sister. Number two, some people dey more advanced than each other for this particular paternity issue. Some people don't study and go fast more. Why some? They don't study and they never too study and like that. So now me, I just dey move according to the way I believe say people take understand and reach. So in case say you get what you don't understand, Sister Sharon or Mommy Sharon, what you go do now for you to type and put for screen, write and put for there. Tell me say you don't understand the meaning of this particular word. I'll come back and explain it to you. If you don't feel catch me for this life, at the moment I not dey on our group. You understand? Write and give me for what is they call them for TikTok. You know, TikTok inbox. Just write out for me for TikTok inbox. I will definitely respond to you when I see them like that. I will give you the answer of the question when you ask me. Me never study more. I be new student too. No wahala. And I say you dey follow up with the study because your answer say they give us what they call am. Your answer also the follow road where that means you see the follow up where and you dey try. So e not too sure say you be new student as well. You dey follow up when I be the most important thing. The last one before this one, make I go Then na animally any kind. See, I'm not be what we do now. The last one this one. See, animali savatici vaganti. And they talk about what we want to call these animals now. Wild animals and something like that. Then thing we talk about. Then what it mean wild animals. Okay, now let us see the last one for this one. I don't respond to this one. Which one be nak uzui? Okay, Anabe. Oh, Anabe, they like all those kind of things. No, allow Anabe go open foreign account. Can't use and send you message saying that me want your uzo. Make sure say you give the right uzo to the rightful owner. Let's go. Okay, now I want make una see this particular symbol. Then I will show una this very one when it be say we do the other time. I need to see am properly. What is the name of this symbol again? That day. Make I see whether I go fit see am again. Dirito. Okay. Okay. Now when I watch these symbols, watch. This symbol and this symbol with this symbol, none of them be the same, despite the fact say they get almost everything. Despite the fact say all of them get arrow for inside each one of them. Meaning say the whole of these particular symbols, they get two arrows for inside of them, one face down, one face up. But doesn't mean they are the same. And they talk about the same thing. They talk about different things, all of them. Epa, I beg, I go like join the WhatsApp. Okay. Yes, no problem for that one. You go join, but at the moment, I don't get access to the group for now. Mistake when I make, I suppose also put somebody as the admin. I did plan to do them before, but I never get chance to do them. I wish I don't do them now. I think somebody else for day when you go to act on my behalf, or the person fee used by a second WhatsApp. Take admin for the meantime till I get back my real WhatsApp, you understand? So now so the matter be pretty okay, thanks. I will do that immediately the class. Okay, you don't have a problem. Okay, now maybe continue. Okay. Now see, yes, I know somebody told me that time. Yes, somebody told me that time. Yes, I can't the plan say I go do one, but I don't know. You know, when something too full head, you not go know the direction where they think they go, so not my fault. And so the matter be, wanna pardon me. But time still dey. If that one say e block, we go still open another one. Make una no reason am. So that one not be that one not supposed to be challenged. So you mean teacher don't leave us for? No, I not leave anybody. Now just say that particular line when I take the run am, the line get issue. I dey try to sort am out. They tell me say I go make I wait from now till the ending of this week. Make I see wetin the thing go be. So from now till the ending of this week, if I fit work on the line, good. If I not fit work on the line, then we will need to open fresh one. I will need to go back another sim, open fresh one. We'll continue from where we first start. I just want to retain the line because that line don't think when I dey use am they go. So the matter be. So no, there's no cause for alarm. Let's go. Okay, as I was saying, this particular symbol, please. And these other two particular symbols, when we don't study about these two, they are not the same, they will not be the same, and they can never be the same. Open and they understand. Apart from that one, look at the shape. This one a four corner shape. Now be number one different way you need to know. This one get four corner shape, this one get round shape, and the other one get a triangular shape. You see, now be the first difference when they dey between the three of them. Are you understanding me? Okay. Now, another difference again when you see the between the both of them. This one are the paint and blue for inside. This one the paint and red and white. And the round, while this other one so. So now it come in triangular form and the paint and red and white as well. It not come in circular form. Now another difference again, we say this arrow for inside here na red and white. This one carry this one carry red and black for inside the own, while this last one carry black and black all through, like what they call that person wey dey go bito, and be this very one. So now Apart from that one, so now another reason is that how they take different. These two now diritto di precedenza. You understand? Now these two be now precedenza sign, make I put on like that. Now precedenza symbol or sign, now be this one. Why this other one so now pericolo sign now it be. So they very different no matter what. Please do not confuse them. They go use and take confuse you for when it comes to exam situation. But stand on your ground and tell them say nihikaba. Say you know the agree. You know what you know. So now let's go make we digest this one. Make una know. Make una know the meaning of this particular one. But before they make a rush drink water. Let's see. I only want to be choke. Eziokwu. Now so the matter be. Now let's go. Now what person they go drink water, there's Dash and Rose. Mr. Collins Novia. I will say now Igbinovia na be the meaning of that name because I get one nigga where they call Igbinovia that year. I will say na be. So Mr. Novia, thank you very much. Mr. Lion J, thank you very much as well. May God continue to bless you guys. May God continue to bless your pocket and increase you in every form and in every angle. Now let's go. Let us face what is facing us. Now let's go. Ok, 150 metri normal, segnale di pericolo. Now make we go. This one say, okay, the question not too many safe, but the thing just went for ground. Let's go. Segnale di pericolo. Okay, che una strada, we say this particular sign, they tell us say una carreggiata a senso unico. Una carreggiata a senso unico diventa a doppio senso di circolazione. Okay, now make I tell now wetin this particular sign mean now. It means say this particular road so before, if you see this sign, this particular road before, na doppio na senso unico, na in the particular sign they show before, which is that particular road before na senso unico. But probably say because say they work for the other carreggiata, they come need to channel the other vehicles from the other carreggiata come this carreggiata. You understand? Then when they don't channel them come, they come tell una say na one vehicle be dey pass this place before, one way traffic na this road be before. But now as they come put this sign, these two arrow now come dey tell you say na two-way traffic na it can be. Meaning say before na one carreggiata be, every vehicle when dey pass this road before, all of them dey face one direction. But if they don't put this sign, they tell you say you pay attention right now. Because no be one carreggiata again come be, no be one way traffic again, it is now two-way traffic. Now the thing can be. So now be the first thing where they tell us about this very particular road. Now let's go. Okay, una carreggiata a senso unico diventa un doppio senso di circolazione e quindi si potranno incrociare I veicoli che marciano in senso opposto. Meaning say, if you make this sign like this, so it don't they tell you say, may you pay attention. Say this road not be senso unico road again for the meantime. You need to pay attention. Say you feel go the jam vehicle when it be say it come from the other side. Normally, as I talked before, Mrs. Annabelle, senso unico road or carreggiata, of which you don't know already the meaning of carreggiata. Now I can tell you say una strada a senso unico. Senso unico road na road when it be say the vehicle when it did that road na only go, na they go. You no go ever see the one where it come back. Na be road of senso unico. All of them are one direction that they face. For the whole of that full road or for the whole of that full carreggiata, na be senso unico. But in this particular case now, maybe now two carreggiata dey. This one has senso unico of its own. This other one has senso unico of its own. Now in this case now, maybe they work on this particular senso unico, which is this carreggiata. So maybe they work on it. Now they come put one thing like this, they channel the other vehicle, come this other carreggiata, come join these ones when e dey here. Why they join am for here? They go put wetin dem dey call am, they go put this symbol for all those ones when e dey come from this side. They go put the symbol for here for them, make dem see am say okay, this road before na only una bin dey use this road before, but now we don channel this vehicle when e dey come from this other side. Now when e face opposite direction, come join una for here. So therefore, if you see this sign, so you pay attention say vehicle fit dey come for stand now, because normally now this road before na only for people when dey go, dem no make am for people when dey come. But maybe dem dey repair the side of people when be say dem dey come home, they go block their own side, come carry their own vehicle, come channel their vehicle, come carry them, come meet all these ones when dey here. But before then, they will need to put this particular symbol, which is this particular symbol. Make I show you. They'll need to put this particular symbol for the front of those people when you be say that they use this place for front, so that if they see and they will know say okay, this road before now only we be get am, but right now they don't challenge another vehicle when they come from the opposite side, come join our own. So you need to pay attention, because if you jam vehicle when they come from the opposite side, punto basta. That means 2 lanes is now on the right, on 1 lane, right? No, not be 1 lane, not be 1 lane. It is not possible for you to meet 2 lanes, 2 traffic on 1 lane. Now, at the talk of Karijata, I am not talking about lane, Sister Annabelle. Please understand. There's a great difference between Karijata and lane. Now, Karijata na full road, while lane na just one part of the road. Now, at the talk of Karijata, you don't say Karijata now go get several lanes for inside. Maybe it will be 2 lanes, if it be 3 lanes and even more lanes. So therefore, if I tell you say Karijata, meaning say maybe that particular Karijata before na 3 lanes na dey inside, or 2 lanes. Now motor when you go, now they use the 2 lanes before. One will stay this side, one will stay this side. But because of the presence of this time, when they channel another Karijata come give am now, they will come block all these ones for this side, make them not use this side. Then they will use only this lane for the same Karijata when it be their own before. Then we come use only 1 lane. Why the vehicle will come from the other side, they channel from the other side, will they use another lane. Please, can you show the picture? I hope I will see am. I hope I will see am. Make I check if I will see this. Make I see am. Make I see whether I will see the picture. I don't know whether, make I see whether they even get the picture. They're supposed to get that for this our app. Make I see. No, they don't give us anything like that. Okay, make we see. O doppio senso di circolazione. No. Wetin I want to describe am for them now. Whether I take okay. I just think wetin be the word when I want type put, so that they will give me wetin I want, wetin I want exactly. Senso unico. Senso unico. Unico sta diventando diventando doppio con doppio senso di circolazione. Make we see whether I'll get anything for here. Okay. Make I see whether I'll get any image around here when it will show us what we want. Okay. At the moment, I never see anything, but make I check. Omo, now something else they show me. Now something else and they tell me. Una strata, may I change them. Una strada. Una strada. Senso unico di circolazione sta diventando doppio senso di circolazione. Allora, mi dispiace guys, I don't see anything like that for here. They don't show me, they don't give me any image or any video when you go fit I want to put when you go fit explain this thing properly. I don't see anything like that. I don't see anything. But this thing most especially now for highway, now they mostly see this particular sign. Now for highway, now they see this particular sign. Make I see whether this particular symbols will show us. Make I see. If I tap this one, whether we will see anything like that around here. Something like this. Something like this, but not exactly. Something like this, but not exactly. Make I see whether something else could be. There must be a way. There must be something for us for here. There must be. Okay, make I check whether this particular sign will give us cantiere stradali. Now this one will give us something like that. Mi dispiace ragazzi, I don't see anything. I don't see anything when you go fit give us exactly what would they look for. But just put that for the back of your mind. Say now what the thing mean be that one. Say road when it be one passage way before for one particular side of the vehicle when it be senso unico before. Now they don't turn out to double lanes to the use. So please. I don't see the sign, wahala not dey, make I see somebody they try call me, make I see who be the person. Lion J, okay, if you get anything for me, make I see. No, Lion J, if I accept this your request now, my screen will come small. People feel not going to see what I do at the moment. So maybe I will respond to you before the end of the class. Now let's go back to what they do. I don't see the symbol. I see the symbol, but I don't see waiting will give us a good explanation to what will they do, they come. Now let's go, make we just continue. Just use your imagination, take tap into the blessing. That's what the matter be. Thank you very much. For the first time, I don't see video to show una waiting we they talk about. Make a balance, in our great balance. Okay, I think it should be better now. Now let's go. Where we first stop and diventa un doppio senso di circolazione e quindi potrà essere posto indica quindi che termina il senso unico di circolazione, meaning say they tell you say if you see this sign so it don't tell you say this road not be senso unico again at the moment. Now this road don't turn to doppio senso di circolazione, meaning say now you go feel the jam vehicle when they come from the opposite side. But before the vehicles when they for that road before, all of them are one direction line it be. Okay, now another thing we say, let's see. Circolazione occorre usare maggiore prudenza, meaning say you should quickly take caution if you see this sign, which is a segnale di pericolo. Say a fondo giallo, if inside here, so for inside, say na yellow, now you meet am. Meaning say that they work on that particular road, that be the reason for that. E posto in presenza di lavori in corso. Ok, il sorpasso è consentito. Il say il sorpasso, which they call overtaking, is allowed, is permitted, deve essere effettuato con particolare prudenza. Meaning say overtaking is allowed, but it must be done with maximum care and prudence or caution. Just manage any road so we can understand. I don't see the diagram. I don't try to explain at the best of my ability, but still when I don't still understand. Okay, I will use one take explain. Now make I finish this particular one. I get one when I will take explain. Now let's go. Non è vero che pronuncia un senso unico. Non è vero che pronuncia un senso unico ottenato. Meaning say, e not tell you say the road say na senso unico when it be say na senso unico normally when e be say they come dey meet each other at that moment, like vehicles come dey come from up and down. E say no be wetin the thing dey tell you be that one, say na road when e be senso unico, say at the end of the day another vehicle come for front. No, if this sign not dey, that road na senso unico of its own. But if this sign come dey now, e come dey tell you say that road as at that point in time when this sign dey there till when they go comot am, no be senso unico again as at that time. Say maybe by the time when they go remove am, e go back to its normal form as a senso unico. Now or il diritto di precedenza nei sensi alternati, meaning say it means say the right of the road dey within the both side, like say they go come put that right of the road for this side, you understand. Now e dey tell you say this particular symbol no be the symbol of diritto di precedenza. I hope you understand. So just as I showed una before, say this particular symbol so not be symbol of diritto di precedenza for the other side, please. This particular symbol get triangular shape. The other two, one get I think the other one na cube shape, while the other one is circular shape. So they are not the same thing. Now this particular thing they tell you. So okay, let's go. Che impone di dare la precedenza ai veicoli provenienti in senso opposto. Meaning say this particular sign, not be that sign when they tell you say may you give way to the vehicle when it be say they come from the other side. Now that when they tell you that one so now circular shape na that one be, but this one so na triangle na this particular one be, so they are not the same thing at all. Now we will go check the particular road. When I say I will make example, then before we will come back and answer this question. Now make I use this particular road go make example. Now the only option when I feel say I will fit try be this one. Okay, make I see if I fit use this one yet. Okay, yes, make I try this particular road to make example. If I go fit this here. Now I hope now they see this road. Now let's assume say this particular road now, all the vehicle when they walk out for this road, including this side, so all of them, so now one direction that they face. Those of now when you say una no understand, please watch where make I use this road take explain for now. Now let's assume say this particular road so this vehicle they go front so all the vehicle when they use this road now both now front all the vehicle they go, including this one and this one. Now in this case, based on say no, may I use another one. May I use another road, please. May I use another road. That one will be more explainable, la carreggiata. I think this one will give me what I want. At least this one get a video. Okay, make I use this one. This one I will give me almost what I want. Yeah, just smile, let it in label till finish.
Okay. Okay, now make I use this one as an example now. Okay, I will use this one as an example. Now, I don't know this part of, okay, when I see from here to here. Okay, now from here to, you can see where my hand they go. Okay, we'll use from here to here. May I carry my screen come up small? No, may I use this side where they closer to me. Okay, make I use this side when they closer to me. Make we ignore this arrow now. Make we ignore these two arrows when they go up. Let's assume say these two roads so now road when it be say it is divided into two. Now let's assume say this iron not dey. That's okay, or maybe this iron dey. Now we'll make example from here to here. Now watch the vehicle when it dey here so now only this direction. See this road so now iron and separate am from here to here. Why from here to here? Make we also assume say na iron and separate am. Now the vehicle when it dey this particular road, let's assume say that they go up like this. Meaning that they face this direction, and the vehicle when it be say that they dey this particular road, that they face this direction. Meaning say this ones they go up, while all these ones they go down. You understand? So now in this particular case, so now wetin dey happen be say they will come need to, based on say maybe they work on this particular road now, they will come need to maybe open here to here. When they open here to here so, or make I put am say they will open here to here. Now all these vehicles now when we say, remember say this full road, now only vehicle na they when they go, now they use this road. Meaning say this lane and the other lane. Okay, meaning this lane and this other lane so now Karijata now be on its own, which is this full Karijata so now one direction all of them they go. This other Karijata so all of them they come this direction. Now nothing concern who dey here normally with who dey here. Who dey here they go this side, and who dey here they go this side. But because say probably they work on this particular road now, they will feel need to burst hole, put for here now, burst this iron small. Bust am, then they go channel all these vehicles now when they dey here. Maybe na here now they work on, from here go down. Now they work on for this road. They come bust hole put for here and here. Come channel all these vehicles, come block this place like this. So that all these vehicles when they dey here now, they come enter this particular road. They come dey use this lane. Meanwhile, the real owner of this full road, which is all these people so, they come dey use this side of the road. Then all these ones when they dey here now, if they don't reach here, so reach where they repair for here, they'll come bus, come this side, come enter here, come they use this road. Now, this road is not originally designed for two-way traffic. This road is actually designed only for one-way traffic. Now, in the presence of this particular situation now, for the vehicle then when they dey here so, when they say that they come, when they say they don't collect some part of their road, give all these people, they won't carry this particular sign when we talk about that triangle sign. Make I bring down whether I will still see them. Okay, make I see. Okay, they won't carry this particular triangle sign. So this our triangle sign for so here. They won't carry am, come give all these people for here when it be the original owners of the road. They come put am for their here. Not say na here na the road for bus. Na here the road for bus now. They come put am for their own for here. They come put that angle sign for here now. They advertise to them when we say that they use this road. They come say make all of una wanna shift on this particular lane. Make una dey use this lane because this road now don turn to vehicles when they come from this side don dey join una dey use this road for the main time. I hope una understand now. I hope it dey well understood now because I don't feel say e get any other way when I fit explain am pass the way I take explain now. Okay, better. So na so the matter be. So if you see that symbol so, na wetin e mean be that one, nothing else at all. By the time when they don't remove this particular sign now from that road so, the road go come turn to normal. That is after e be say they don't repair the road finish. By the time when they don't repair the road finish, they'll come remove this sign for there. Everybody will come face in road again. They'll come block that particular place back again, probably with iron. This one will face in road, this one will face in road. So now when you see this sign, now wetin dey tell you be that one say alpha. This road before, now one lane, now one road na e be for some particular set of vehicle before, but based on say they work on the road or something dey happen for that road, that is why they remove and come turn and say okay, make two vehicle first dey pass here for the main time first. So now the meaning of that na be the meaning of the symbol na be that. So now let's go. Okay, now don't ready for the past question. Should we respond to this past question? It is 9:52 already. We don't even spend more than the time we're supposed to spend. We're only 8 minutes. Now let's go. Let us respond to the past questions. Ok. Se è raffigurato pronuncia che una carreggiata a senso unico diventa un doppio senso di circolazione. What do you think about this question? You say carreggiata when you be senso unico before, when you be say now only one line of traffic they pass. Say now two vehicles, now two lines now they pass vero or falso. Okay, Nancy Brown say na vero, Precious Pretty say na vero. Let's see, Annabelle say na vero, Chris say na vero. Okay, Lovely Family say na vero, Blessing Night say na vero. So na vero na this matter be. Let's go. E se è raffigurato pronuncia o termine di senso unico di circolazione. See this road, this particular symbol, so it announces the termination of a senso unico di circolazione. Meaning say it tell you say as on this particular sign, so there is no more senso unico di circolazione. What do you think? Okay, Mommy Sharon say na vero. Okay, Moon Boy say na vero, Unique Pepe say na vero. Favor Festo say na vero. Okay, Scooby say na vero. Okay, Lovely Family say na vero. So na vero something anything be. Se è raffigurato indica che poco oltre occorre usare la maggiore potenza. Meaning say you say this sign, so it's in raffigurato indica, they indicate say poco oltre, say in a little while occorre usare maggiore prudenza, make you quickly use a major prudence, like make you quickly caution yourself for the road. Now let's go. Chanta Amadou say na vero, Nancy Brown say na vero, Mama Dea say na vero, Precious Pretty say na vero, Mommy Sharon say na vero, Nancy Brown say na vero, Lise say na vero. Now let's go. Se ha raffigurato pronuncia che poco oltre si potranno incontrare I veicoli che marciano in senso opposto. Meaning say in a little while, in the presence of this sign, it tell you say you go jam vehicle when you say that they come from the other side of the road. What do you think? Let's go. J Joy, very much welcome. You say, let's see, Sabi Boy say na vero, Scooby say na vero, Favor Festo say na vero, Moon Boy say na vero, Lanje say na vero. Let's go. The answer to the question is vero. Okay, so now let us go. Make we go for the next one. All right. Ok, se hai raffigurato pronuncia che carreggiata a senso unico diventa senso circolazione. We don't say this one. Se hai raffigurato è un preavviso di direzione obbligatoria. You say this particular sign, so it tell you say na sign of direzione obbligatoria. Say na obligatory sign, na any sign be. Remember wetin the thing they tell you, see, in segnale raffigurato provvisa di direzione obbligatoria. Say na I want to put some now. You say na obligatory direction, na you go jam at the moment. Okay, direzione obbligatoria. Already not done the respond to the question already. So therefore the answer to this question is falso. Il segnale raffigurato è un segnale di pericolo, that we know already. Il segnale raffigurato indica che poco oltre occorre usare la maggiore prudenza. Il segnale raffigurato se a fondo giallo è posto in presenza di lavoro in corso. Means in the presence of this sign, so if it be say you meet am for yellow, you meet inside this white place, say na yellow it be, meaning say
na work na dey work for the road. Alright, it is a very something. Se hai figurato pronuncia un senso unico alternato, meaning say this particular sign dey tell you say na senso unico when e be say or wey be say e dey the two sides, na senso unico when e dey come from the two sides. What do you think it is? Is it a vero or falso? You say na senso unico alternato. Alternato meaning say senso unico by this side, senso unico by this side. What do you think? Is it vero or falso? Let's go. Who they respond to me? Unique Pepe say na falso. Mom J say na falso. Lion G. But I say you know the class since the answer to this question is not vero, but it is falso because the road before na senso unico, but based on this second day, it can turn to due senso di circolazione. So it cannot be senso unico alternato. Senso unico alternato means senso unico day for this side, senso unico day for this side. It is not true. Allora, the answer is falso. Il segnale figurato impone di dare la precedenza ai veicoli che provenienti da senso in contrario. Meaning, say this particular sign now they tell us, see, we need to give right to those vehicles when we say that they come from the opposite side. So, what do you think? Is it a vero or is it a falso something? Let's go, please respond. It's in the presence of this sign, so say we need to give you to the vehicle when it means that they come from the opposite side. What do you think? Is it vero or falso? Okay, lovely family. Okay, c'est na vero. Okay, Ulysses, c'est na vero. Julio, c'est na falso. Scooby, c'est na falso. Make una respond now. Okay, Ulysses, c'est na vero. List the question where se figura impone di dare la precedenza ai veicoli che provenienti da senso contrario. Meaning, say this side they tell you, say, may you give way to vehicle when it be say that they come from the other side. May you give way to them. Or those of now way right vero, the answer is very wrong. This is that symbol, this particular symbol is not the symbol of dare la precedenza, please. This symbol not be symbol of precedenza. Are you understanding me? So it cannot be vero. It not tell you say may you give way to anybody. You only they tell you say the road they turn to two circulation. And for them to turn to two circulation way, they must make provision for them to take block you when they use the normal road. May you not go jam the other ones when they do for front. Or now they understand. So this is not the symbol of dare la precedenza. I don't first show on that symbol. The other two, so the other two for the other side. When one a circle, the other one a box. Now those one be precedenza sign. This is segnale di pericolo, not be segnale di precedenza. So therefore, the answer that you are giving me as vero is a wrong answer. It is not correct. Il segnale figurato indica tra poche ore non usare maggiore prudenza. Il segnale figurato pronuncia che una carreggiata a senso unico diventa doppio senso di circolazione. Il figurato pronuncia un senso unico macchinato. Ok, consentito deve essere effettuato con particolare prudenza. We don't answer this one as well. Il figurato impone di dare la precedenza. Listen, watch. Dare la precedenza. As you don't see this precedenza for here, no, say this is not a precedenza sign. Already the thing don't tell you say na falso. Because this sign is not a precedenza sign. It is the sign of a pericolo. Ai veicoli che provenienti dal senso contrario. This particular sign not tell you say may you give way to those people when it be said that they come from the other side. The sign only tell you say in a short while you will fit jam vehicle when they come from the other side. And if they come from the other side, the owners of the road, people who construct the road, must don't take every reasonable measures to make sure say they block you when you be original owner of the road. And those people, they must look for a way to separate owner so that you no go their side, then no go come decide when it be say then only give them. Are you understanding me? So it is not the precedenza sign. You do not have right to give precedenza to anybody on this particular part of the road because the road is wide enough to contain two lines of vehicles. So therefore, you shouldn't give precedenza to anybody. Make I read waiting there for my screen. Make I see. Okay, but if
But what if the car at the right no stop? We no go get we no go let them pass first. You no still understand. Now, I tell you, see, wetin this person when I dey respond to na Sister Sharon. Sister Sharon, before they go put this kind sign here, they must make sure say this particular road go contain 2 lines of vehicle at the same time. Meaning say this road now, they go divide am into 2. Normally, don dey divided into 2. Now, 2 vehicle na dey pass here, one dey pass here, one dey pass here. Na so this road be normally. One line of vehicle go dey use here, another line of vehicle go dey use here. Now, they divide the road into 2. No be say they divide am into 2 with something solid, maybe like line. They just divide am like line into 2. Now, if they channel the other vehicle from the other side come enter this one, so now they go come seize the ones when dey pass it. The same vehicle when be say they dey go like this, and that line dey go like this. They go come seize the ones when dey go here. Make dem no dey pass through this road again. Make all of them come this side, make dem dey pass through here. Meanwhile, the one wey dey carry come from another road go come dey use here. So therefore, the road is wide enough for 2 lines of vehicle to pass at the same time. Meaning say the ones when dey come from other side go take this line, while una when e be say una get the full road before, una go take this other side, una go dey use am. So therefore, there is no need to block any road for anybody, and there's no need for anybody to wait for anybody. The new occupants of the road, the new people wey come from the other channel, go use this place, while the old people when e be say na dem really get the full road, dem come dey use here. So Sister Sharon, I hope that is clear. I hope you understand now, because no be say dem come block the full road like this, make one person first pass the full road for only one line to the pass am. No, they go block half of the road. One line go dey use this side, the other line go dey use the other side. So that is what it means, Sister Sharon. Make I see. All right, make I see who dey here, mommy. Let me pass on. Okay, make I see. Sometimes they use a plastic, yes, with water to divide the road. Yes, that is Mr. Ekwerikwe. You are very, very much correct, Sister Mommy Sharon. Let's see, very clear. Thanks. Okay, road division. All right, better. Now let's go. Ok, let's go. Il segnale figurato impone di dare la precedenza ai veicoli provenienti dal senso contrario. We don't say no. Segnale figurato se a fondo giallo. We don't write down. Segnale figurato è un segnale di pericolo. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia che la circolazione diventano a senso unico. Il segnale raffigurato è un preavviso di direzione obbligatoria. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia il diritto di precedenza nei sensi opposti. Meaning, see this particular sign now, see this particular sign, they tell you, see, now you get the right to pass first for this particular road. What do you think? Say this particular sign, say the meaning of this particular sign. Say they tell you, say now you get the right to pass first for the road. What do you think? Vero or falso? Precious Spirit say na falso, Monsharon say na falso, Unique Pepe say na falso, Nancy Brown say na falso. Okay. All right, Moon Boy say na falso, Chris say na falso, Lovely Family say na falso. Okay, it is very much of a falso something. That means we really understand the question, we really understand the waiting the thing they talk about. I think say we go free the question. I let me use Wayo take answer now. So the answer to this question is falso. Il segnale raffigurato preannuncia che bisogna ritornare indietro. He said this particular sign say you need to go back. Il segnale raffigurato invita di ritornare indietro. Meaning say this particular symbol means say you need to turn, they go back. Sister Blessing, nice. I never see you for this live session today, but welcome all the same. He say this particular sign say you don't need to pass this road, you must go back from the road. Okay, Madam Mommy Sharon say na falso. Lion J, they share the live. Lovely Family say na falso. Mama of the house say na falso. Okay, now very much of a falso something, so it is falso. Segnale raffigurato pronuncia che il traffico si svolge su 2 carreggiata separati. Meaning say this particular sign they tell us say traffic, say it don't dey for the 2 carreggiata of the road. So what do you think? This particular symbol they tell us say man, the traffic dey for the 2 carreggiata when it dey for the road. Is it vero or falso? Okay, now let's go. I dey answer question, okay, and maybe I no see you, say small thing don enter body, person no come dey see road clearly, no wahala. Let's go. Sharon say na Faso, Nancy Brown say na Faso, Lisa say na Faso, Tom Bro say na Faso. Eve Love say na Faso, Moonboy Scooby, everybody say na Faso. So now let's go. It is Faso. Il segnale figurato pronuncia che termina il senso unico di circolazione. Meaning say this particular symbol, they tell us say senso unico di circolazione don't end for this particular road. Is that what it means? True or false? So you say if you did this particular road now, this particular symbol, if you see, I don't tell you say senso unico di circolazione has come to an end. What do you think? Is it vero or falso? Okay, Tom Bruce and falso. Some mommy Sharon say na vero, Odise say na falso, Nancy Brown say na falso, Moonboy say na falso, Eve Love say na falso, Scooby say na vero, Lovely Family say na vero, Blessing say na vero, J-Joy say na vero, na falso. Okay, Blessing come again say na vero. The rest of them they fear to type. Okay, Nancy Brown say na vero, or Julius say na falso. Okay. I dey like this kind of question when it come so. Okay. Mama of the house say na vero, Ekwerekwe say na vero. I dey like this kind of thing, so it dey sweet me for body when challenge dey onto the question matter. It makes sense clearly. Now let's go. See now, this sign now they tell us say segnale figurato pronuncia che termina il senso unico di circolazione. Don't forget say the original owners of the road in presence of this thing. Now senso unico di circolazione na be that road. So if you see this sign, don't know say senso unico di circolazione, it don't come to an end. For that particular point where you foresee the road don't turn to two-way circulation. So meaning say the answer to this question is vero. We don't first answer this question before, we dey answer am again. I don't first bring am for now, first get am, I bring am come out again, make I see whether una go remember am. But it is unfortunate say una come gbokwe for inside am the second time. That is say una not sure of una self. That is why it makes sense say you dey read all the time. The end of the way and the initio of two way. Yeah, that is very correct, Mr. T-Money. You are very much welcome. Please, you need to be very sure of yourself, please. Whenever you answer a question, you must be very sure. Meaning, say, the senso unico has come to an end. Now it is now two-way traffic. Termina means terminate. Senso unico has been terminated. Now it is now remaining two-way traffic. So it is vero. Make a segnale figurato pronunciato che poco oltre potranno incrociare. That one is supposed to be the last question, but the thing was too fast. Quick me that team vero. Let's celebrate. Very good. Yes, I need to celebrate on our tribe because in most times now this thing vero now they always say bohwe. But today na team vero now they come pass the question why team faso now they come back for this very last one. Now let's go. Make I just read down the whole question. I know say don't finish now. Segnale figurato pronuncia termina a senso unico di circolazione. Il segnale figurato indica che poco oltre occorre usare maggiore prudenza, deve essere effettuato con particolari effettuato pronuncia un senso di unico ottenuto, preavviso in direzione obbligatorio, potranno incrociare i veicoli che marciano in senso opposto, bisogna tornare indietro, precedenza nel senso ottenuti, precedenza in senso contrario, circolare diventa a senso unico. Il segnale figurato pronuncia che la circolazione diventa a senso unico. Un fondo giallo, lavoro in corso, traffico svolge su due lati di carreggiata, segnali di pericolo, senso unico diventa doppio senso di circolazione, punto, basta. Now, so the matter be. So therefore, now we are done with these particular questions for today. We already entered 10-3 already. Now, by the grace of God, we never do past questions for a very long time now. I don't want the situation whereby we would learn new things, come they forget the old ones, please. All right, good evening, everybody. Now, maybe this person when he be say I dey disturb una since, you understand? Okay, now let's talk about something. You know, for some time now, we never dey do past questions. We never dey do past questions, most especially on the topics we don't do before. The thing just come to me based on now me actually be the person when he gets the fault for here based on the time schedule. Now we will try as much as possible make we do our past questions for inside them on Sunday or on Saturday. One of those days, any one of the day when I get chance, we'll do the past questions before we'll continue with this saying the pericolo.